What's up YouTube? It's your boy Lowpes and welcome back to another video. Today is an exciting day. We are finally tuning the K20 Civic. We are here with Ralph. The K20 Civic, I believe, might be next. We got here a little earlier, so we're gonna check out some of the builds. And I'm hoping nothing happens. I'm hoping for a solid 210. 210 will be perfect. 220. Alex, I'm getting everyone saying 220. I don't want to get my heart broken on the dyno. I just want it to run right and hit 210. You think 220?
I have a feeling it's going to be 220. Maybe
Yeah?
Paul's right. Yeah.
220, eh? Paul, four-door says 221. Yeah. So you say 220. I say 210. We'll see. As long as it runs right and nothing happens, I'm absolutely fine with it. Let's pop the bay and see how she's looking. All right, so this is how everything is looking. Luckily, Alex and I double checked everything yesterday. The belt was kind of loose today. We fixed that. That is good. We topped off some oil, made sure we're good on that sense. And everything else is looking pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. We checked everything. We checked the tune, we checked everything that was on it, and it should be okay. So the main purpose of this tune is to maximize the gains we have within this car, and so we can get it running right, because it's a little rough at first gear, like maybe 1,000, 2,000 RPMs. It's a little choppy, so that is one of the main things. I'm not looking to make insane power. That'll be in the future once we supercharge it or boost it, one of those two things. But as you guys can see, we've changed the coolant line that was leaking, so we shouldn't have any more issues there also. And yeah, everything else is looking pretty good. I'm pretty happy with how the car is looking and driving right now, and it's only going to get better from here. And yeah, I'm super excited. What do you think? Do you think everything's going to go good or what? Yeah? Yeah, let's go. I hope so. But yeah, we will, I'll probably see you guys in a little bit. We'll check out the dyno and everything, but this is how the car is looking as of now. Pretty subtle, nothing too crazy. The Nankang AR1s are actually really good, and they're hooking like really nice, and I'm pretty happy with that. And yeah, it was supposed to rain and it is not, so I'm happy about that too. So he's running a little behind, and we got here super early also, so we're gonna grab some food, fuel up, and the nerves are starting to kick in. Any dyno day is always nerve-wracking. Right now we have an Gen supercharge on the dyno, and hopefully everything goes good for him, and we'll be back. And the next couple clips will just be us putting the car in the dyno, and we'll get some dyno pulls and see what she's doing. Right on time. It looks like it's about to rain. Buddy, let's go. Hopefully it stops raining by the time this is done, because I got slicks or our compounds in the front. But Mr. Ralph's gonna work his magic here, and let's see. I'm hoping for 210. Alex, the final number, what do you say?
218.
218, all right. Woo. Makes me miss my AP3, not gonna lie. Ralph, what do you think? How much is it gonna push?
I don't make guesses. Stay neutral. Let the car do the talking.
That's it. We shall see. If there's anything that's holding back power, it's probably that exhaust. I told you, maybe 210. Because we have a 2.5-inch exhaust, and we have the Skunk 2 manifold. Ralph was saying if we did an RBC manifold on this, we'd make more power, but we might supercharge it with a Jackson Racing kit, so I don't really care to do that just of yet until I really figure out what I want to do. dyno, as you see, he's just probably can't see that, but he's just messing with a few little things. But goddamn, let's see. That last run we did was 198. We still have a lot more to go, hopefully. And like I said, the 210 mark may be the mark that we might hit, or even under that. And I'll explain why afterwards, but for now I'm gonna let him do his magic, just because I do not want to jinx it. That was a nice first gear pull. I'm not gonna even lie to you guys. It drives so much better now, like so much. Like look at that. Woo-hoo. The car drives like 10 times better than what it did, and it's pulling harder too. Damn, I'm super happy with that. I can only imagine how it's gonna feel when we actually put way more power into it. God damn. Hey, I think we got a Challenger beside us.
Do we?
Yeah, do we got a Challenger?
Sorry guys, just trying to keep up, sorry.
Yo, third gear flies. Damn.
Oh, he smells brakes.
Oh, he smells brakes. Hey, at least they're working nice on the brakes
yeah.
too. God damn, yo, third gear flies, bro. Holy shit. Alrighty, so it is done. The car's driving so much better. But the car made 213 and 147 torque. Main reason I couldn't make more horsepower is because I have a 2.5-inch exhaust, and the manifold I have is better for turbo. It's not as good for NA builds. But I'm super happy with the number. It's a solid number, and the car rips, and it drives so much better already. Alex,
happy.
We could have made the 220 if I had the 3-inch exhaust and a different manifold. If I had the RBC manifold, I would have made it. So I am happy with the numbers. These were just pretty much, I'm not looking for anything big at the moment. I wasn't looking for any big numbers. I'm just looking for safe numbers that are reliable, and then we're gonna push big power into it afterwards. So we shall see. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate the view. Make sure you do it once, do it right, like, comment, subscribe. Peace.